Almost every AI tool in every application is ultimately, how do we make that user who doesn't know what buttons to click, how do we get them to their result faster? There is very real and tangible disintermediation there. What happens to the HubSpot-y world as that occurs?
The overall sequence and timeline of all of that is probably much longer than most folks are thinking. What we'll see is the ability to use a pure, non-customized HubSpot out of the box using nothing but your keyboard or even your voice. That timeline is probably pretty short. But the ability to use a HubSpot account that has years of data and customer context and customization and external apps and everything in between, like that timeline is probably like exponentially longer and potentially infinite. And then the other part of your question is like, what happens to the buttons or the way of using HubSpot? I think it becomes different buttons over time that are more creative applications, like creativity and customer context and strategy and less point and click.